What if I told you I built a fully responsive mobile app in just 10 minutes, without hiring developers, without spending thousands of dollars, and without being an app development expert? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what happened. Using Claude AI, I created a professional mobile app from scratch faster than I ever thought possible. And today, I'm going to show you the exact process step by step. If you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or someone looking for new AI business opportunities, this video could completely change how you think about app development. Let's get started. Just a few years ago, building an app required months of development. You needed designers, developers, testers, and a large budget. Today, AI is changing everything. Tools like Claude AI can help you design, structure, and build apps significantly faster than traditional methods. Let me show you exactly how I did it. Every successful app starts with an idea. For this example, I decided to build a fitness tracker app. I wanted users to be able to track workouts, monitor progress, set goals, view fitness plans. Instead of spending hours planning the app structure, I opened Claude AI and typed, "Create a complete structure for a modern fitness tracking mobile app." Within seconds, Claude generated home screen workout, dashboard, progress tracking, goal setting, user profile settings page. Just like that, the entire app structure was ready. Next, I needed a professional design, so I asked Claude AI, "Create a modern mobile app design using black, blue, and white colors. Make it look premium and user-friendly." Claude instantly suggested color schemes, layout ideas, navigation styles, typography button designs. Then I asked, "Generate a complete responsive mobile app interface." And within minutes, Claude generated a professional app layout that looked surprisingly good. Now came the exciting part, building the actual app. I asked Claude AI, "Generate the complete code for this responsive fitness app." Claude generated screen layouts, navigation systems, user interface components, responsive design elements. What amazed me most was the speed. Instead of manually writing hundreds of lines of code, I had a complete app framework generated in a single conversation. Once the code was ready, I copied it into a development environment and launched the app. The app loaded successfully. The navigation worked, the screens looked professional, and the design adapted well across different screen sizes. Then I used Claude AI again to improve it. For example, I asked, "Add dark mode, improve the dashboard, make the design more modern, add smooth animations." Claude generated improved versions almost instantly. This allowed me to refine the app much faster than traditional development. Now, here's where things get interesting. Businesses everywhere need mobile apps: gyms, restaurants, real estate companies, local businesses, online stores, and many of them are willing to pay thousands of dollars for a professional mobile application. AI is making app creation faster and more accessible than ever before, which means freelancers and entrepreneurs now have opportunities that didn't exist a few years ago. So that's how I built a fully responsive mobile app using Claude AI in about 10 minutes. The technology is incredible, but remember, the real opportunity isn't just building apps, it's solving real problems for real businesses. And in my next video, I'll show you how these AI-built apps can potentially be turned into client projects and business opportunities. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content about Claude AI, AI businesses, freelancing, and making money online. I'll see you in the next video.